So I've been seeing all these things about people generating income online, making $1,000 to like $5,000 a month with ebooks. What do I do? Because I need to get in on that, like ASAP. I'm tired of talking to clients all the time. I recommend digital products such as courses or ebooks because ebooks are super easy to do and you can pretty much get done with an ebook in 24 hours. Okay, so like what are the steps? Well, what kind of expertise do you have? I don't know. I've been doing this whole digital media thing for a good minute now. Here are a couple of different steps to get you started. Number one, you want to go ahead and take a look at all of the different questions that you've been asked. So go back, take a look at some of your Zoom recordings and write down the different questions that you've been asked and think about creating an ebook that answers the questions in great detail where you can actually just have the ebook deliver the answer for you. Step number two is to take a look at the market. See what types of email books are currently selling and what people are searching for. This is really easy to do if you go to an app such as TikTok. You can actually go to TikTok. You can do a couple of different searches for your keywords and find out what people are searching for and what content they actually need to answer their questions or to provide them with specific training. You don't physically have to be there to deliver your expertise. You can actually just package up your expertise and deliver it over to your clients without physically being there. And now with step number three, all you're going to do is just go to ChatGPT and you're going to place in a couple of your ideas as well as different titles. So you can identify the title that speaks directly to your audience when you're creating your ebook. So how do I even find out topics that people are interested in? If you need help, all you got to do is download 100 ebook ideas. I have them in the link in my bio, or you can go ahead and DM me the word ebook and I'll send that link right over to you. What do I do? Because I need to get in on that, like ASAP. Like right now. Like today. Hurry up.